Have you ever wanted to create an online store without the hassle of managing inventory or shipping? Well, today we're going to show you how to do just that using Modalyst and Wix. Imagine having access to thousands of products from top brands, all without having to stock them yourself. That's the power of dropshipping, and Modalyst is a platform that makes it incredibly easy. Wix, on the other hand, is a popular website builder that allows you to create stunning online stores. Step 1. Create a Wix account. If you don't have a Wix account already, go to wix.com and sign up. You can choose a free plan to get started, but you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to enable online selling features. Step 2. Install the Modalyst app. Log in to your Wix account and go to the app market. Search for Modalyst and click the Add to Site button. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. Step 3. Connect your Modalyst account. Open the Modalyst app in your Wix editor. Click the Connect button and follow the instructions to link your Modalyst account to your Wix store. Step 4. Choose products. Browse the Modalyst catalog to find products you want to sell. Use the search bar to find specific products or categories. Filter products by price, category, brand, or popularity. Step 5. Add products to your store. Click the Add to Cart button next to the products you want to add. Go to your cart and review your selections. Click Add to Store to add the products to your Wix store. Step 6. Customize product listings. Edit the product descriptions to include relevant keywords and information. Add high-quality product images provided by Modalyst or upload your own. Set the product price and adjust it if necessary. Step 7. Set up shipping and payments. Go to the Wix store settings and configure shipping options. Connect your preferred payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe. Step 8. Launch your store. Once you've completed the previous steps, you're ready to launch your online store. Click the Publish button to make your store live. Additional tips. Promote your store on social media and other online channels. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Keep your store updated with new products and promotions. Adding Modalyst to Wix is a simple and effective way to start an online store without the hassle of inventory management. By following these steps, you can quickly create a successful online business and start selling products to customers around the world. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.